A pretty quick and easy move, but I really like the shape of it. I don't think it has been named yet, just a working name. I would call it Simultaneous Knee Tracer, because you trace around both knees at the same time. It's pretty easy. You start with your whip behind your back, then you go down pretty deep, that the knees are really pointy out there, and then with both hands you come from behind and go down here in the middle and trace around your knees. Then, so you get this shape, and then you just pull out the handle so this shape will slide off to one side. And then you can repeat it, rig up the fibers to guide them behind the back, and just repeat it. Instead of re-grabbing the fibers, you can do a handoff, and then do the same for the other side. Just showing you from behind that you see the handoff. I have an extra tutorial on handoffs anyway, so if you struggle with those, just watch that one. You start here, fibers behind your back, go down deep, and then your hands go inside of your knees down, and you trace then out to the side, and here you re-grab the fibers, or you just do a handoff. And that's already it.